Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate very briefly how the back-end content management system works for a number of our sites. I'll show you this one in the back end and then show you a couple of other URLs so you can see a comparison as to how different they can be. If I click anywhere within the page and hit Control and 7, you'll see that a username and password box comes up. I'll type in the required information. There we go. I think I've done that wrong. 1 second. Click on the tick box, and we're in, and you'll see that it's basically changed to picture boxes, text boxes, etc. as a live page. So we may decide to change the color palette, for example. We might want to add some new copy. Perhaps that copy I would like to see in, for example, a different colour. I might want to have a particular section that links through to something. Here it says add a link. I'll click on add a link and type in, on this occasion, a URL. When you click on that next time around, you'll now see that's now got a mouse over finger, and I'll show you how that link works in a second. We look here at the menu structure. Perhaps I want to add some parts to the menu structure, so I go to change menu structure. I'm in the primary menu. I want to add a new item, and I want to call it 07. There we go. Call it Andrew. I'll save that, and you'll see here it is appearing here. It may be that you want to do something within the structure or change its position. So again, you can go back into that, and we could say, well, look, I'd like it to be at the top. I'll just click the upward arrow. Now you'll see this thing has become in a primary place. Perhaps looking at these banners, I want to change these. These will be the news ticker tape banners that appear across the top. So I click on those, and perhaps I'll just change these to say something else. I'll just do these 3. You may have a site that's got video in it and you want to have a video uploaded 4:3, 16:9. It's the same way as using the image library. Metadata allows you to put in keywords. The image library, the images here, these are on a carousel, so you'll see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll take 5 for example. You click on the image, you'll see up here, View Image Library. You'll see the words come above where the finger is right now. You click on that, and it loads the image library. And for now, I'm just going to select this one and hit the tick box. And you'll see that's now changed. So I've changed some copy, I've added some menu structure, I've put a link into some text there, I've changed the ticker tape banners, and changed an image, all within probably 1 minute. So let's just see what that looks like as a preview. I hit Control and 6. That page is still as it was. It's previewed. It's not live yet until I hit the save button, but it's previewed. If we go to my mouse over area there, if I click on that, you will see that goes straight through to our site as was predetermined. I'll just go back now so you can see that previewed page. I'm not going to save it, but I will just very, very briefly show you a couple of other URLs to show you that it's a fairly flexible system. This one is for another company whose name is Ascent142. This is a site for post-production, so it's a very video heavy site, but again the system is such that this site looks very, very different. Here we have these rollover animations for the menus up here also. There we are, and I'll go into another one now and show you this. This one is for a luxury yacht. Very much panoramic. Just to show you, if I click on the site and hit Control and 7, the same box comes up showing its administration panel. I'll cancel that because I'm not going to go into the site. And then one more. This one uses a menu structure which works horizontally as opposed to vertically. So you can see it's fairly flexible. We have different setups working with different sites. I hope that tells you what you need to know.